It's time for another new Kansas City Spotlight. Here's your host, Lauren Scott.
Criminal cases can sometimes stem from mental health or substance abuse, but there are resources for people facing this issue. I'm Lauren Scott, your host for Kansas City Spotlight, and today we have attorney David Bell here to explore how mental health and substance abuse intertwine with his criminal defense practice. So, hi David, how are you doing today?
Good, thank you for having me.
Yeah, of course. So tell me, how does mental health and substance abuse, how do you see that in your practice?
Sure. You know, we deal with good people in bad situations. And so often them getting themselves in those bad situations are resulting from a mental disease and or substance abuse. And many times those things kind of occur at the same time. So we have individuals usually that are dealing with some type of mental illness, usually depression, anxiety, and then they start self-medicating, many times with drugs that perhaps are prescription, perhaps they're not their prescription, perhaps they then start going on to more illegal drugs at that point. And so a lot of times there's co-occurring disorders there. And so we see that manifest itself in a lot of the behaviors that our clients are charged with.
So how are you helping your clients navigate these kinds of situations?
Sure. I think the first part that's really important is awareness. I surely don't wish this on anybody, but it's happened because by the time you come to my office, you've probably been arrested or you think you're going to be arrested. So let's address the problem so that when you leave our office, meaning when you leave the services after we've done providing them, you are better off than when you started. And part of that is understanding that you may have a problem. And if you do, that's okay. Let's use this as an opportunity to get past this part of your life so that you can move on and enjoy your life and perhaps be more productive than you've been before. And so it really can be a true beginning, a new beginning, if you're willing to kind of accept that you may have some issues you need to deal with.
So let's talk about special courts.
Sure. So there are special courts on both the Kansas and Missouri side that essentially offer the opportunity to get better, the opportunity at new beginnings without paying the price of a criminal conviction. Because as you know, criminal convictions can have consequences, direct consequences, and also very much indirect, going on for many years. So what if we could get an individual in a situation and say to them, listen, get the treatment you need, we're going to help you find that treatment, do well with it, stay on your medication, stay away from the substances you know you shouldn't be taking, and at the end of a period of time, we, the prosecutor in this case, will dismiss the case so that you don't have anything on your record. It's a great outcome, and it's really a win-win situation both for our clients and for society.
All right, so if people want to get some more information, tell me, where can they go?
Just give us a call or send us an email, and we'll be happy to provide additional information.
All right, sounds great. Thanks, David.
This Kansas City Spotlight is sponsored by David Bell at Wersch Hobbs Marakian. For more information, visit WHMLawDB.com.